Hello everybody, Brad Johnson here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Codes of Awakening. Now, Codes of Awakening is the upcoming event that I'm going to be a part of happening in Orlando, Florida between January 10th and January 12th. And if you want to get tickets, just go to empoweredlight.com. You'll find in the events nav bar there the Codes of Awakening event. Go ahead and grab your tickets. There are still some available. Alright, so this is the first time that I'm going to be coming out to Florida. I have never been to Florida before. So I know I have quite a few friends in Florida, so if you guys have not signed up yet and you're free between January 10th and January 12th, please come on and join me for this really incredible event happening in Orlando. Again, all the details are on the website. So on the Friday evening of January 10th, I'm going to be channeling Adronis. Of course, for those of you who have been tuning into this channel quite some time, or those of you who are new, realize how wonderful it is to connect with Adronis. And so there's no real incredible experience like connecting with Adronis live, having that live channeling, because he is going to be available for Q&A, but he's also going to be talking about the Codes of Awakening. So he's going to be talking about the energy body. He's going to be talking about working with spirit as a vessel. I'm also going to be bringing in Rayar, and Rayar is going to be doing some language of light transmissions as well too. And of course, Adronis will be available to take your questions. So that's going to be happening on the Friday night. Of course, there are two others that are joining me, two other presenters. The first is John DeSouza. And if some of you are familiar with him, you know that he is an ex-FBI agent. Okay? He's referred to also as the X-Man, and the reason why is because many of his cases when he was working in the FBI were featured on the X-Files show, right? So a lot of his stuff was featured on national TV through the X-Files. So again, pretty amazing. He's a wonderful guy. He's also going to be talking about clear hearers, which again is the understanding of clairaudience, and talking a great deal about that. So again, feel free to tune into that. Again, so a good friend of mine. I'm looking forward to hearing his presentations as well. And of course, the second speaker is Jason Quitt. Now, Jason and I have done some interviews in the past as well. And I would say that Jason is one of the most informative and incredibly gifted energy healers alive today. So again, if you are familiar with Jason's work, and if you're familiar with, for example, the ancient Egyptian Qigong postures, I've tried that myself and it's incredible. So Jason is going to be there talking a lot about his presentations, his practices as well. There'll be Q&A for both of us, Jason, myself, and of course John DeSouza. We're going to have some open Q&A time. So again, I'm really looking forward to this, coming to Codes of Awakening in Orlando, Florida. Like I said, I've never been there before. So again, if you guys are available between January 10th and January 12th, please come and be a part of this. Okay? And of course, on January 11th and 12th, we're going to be looking into the Spirit Ambassador workshop. And what this entails is allowing yourself to get a full perspective on what a spirit ambassador can become, how you are working together with spirit, how you are learning to develop instantaneous healing, how you're able to connect with spirit, how you're able to interact and communicate with spirit, how you're able to work with your environment, how you're able to clear out a lot of internal challenges that you're going through, traumas, how you're able to, again, work together with others. There's a million and one things. I'm trying to go down the list relating to the Spirit Ambassador. But you're also going to learn how to work with your pendulum. You're going to learn how to imbue spirit light. You're going to learn how to work together with spirit, how spirit will be able to interact with you, connect with you. You'll be able to work together with certain meditations, grounding meditations. You'll learn how to look into certain degrees of body zone healing as well too. Energy healing, instantaneous healing as well. Very similar to the effects that are given to the healing code cards. You're going to learn step by step about how that was done and how to actually bring this instantaneous healing effect to you. So again, there's a lot to look forward to with the Spirit Ambassador. And it's a workshop, so this is kind of getting you prepared should you decide to work with the online classroom, which of course is on patreon.com/newearthteachings. So you're going to get a crash course with the idea of working as a spirit ambassador, seeing exactly how amazing it is, how powerful it is, and what you can do as a vessel for spirit. So again, I will be talking about that through Saturday and Sunday at Codes of Awakening. So again, this is only just a couple of weeks away from the timing of this taping. So please feel free to come by and join us for an exciting weekend. I will also have the healing code cards with me. I only have about a dozen of them left because they sold out so bloody fast. But I'll have a dozen of them with me, so you can pick some healing code cards up as you see me at the Florida event, Codes of Awakening. Alright, so I look forward to seeing many of you in Orlando, January 10th to 12th. Again, if you need more information, go to the website, empoweredlight.com, grab your tickets, and I look forward to speaking to all of you between January 10th, January 12th in Florida. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you again in another perspective of the now. Take care.